Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video we will learn what are the logins, users and roles in Microsoft SQL Server. So basically login, users and roles are three fundamental security concepts in Microsoft SQL Server that control who can access and what they can do in your database instance level as well as on database level. So first let's talk about the logins. Logins are server level authentication principles. Okay, their scope is the instance level and their purpose is to allow a connection to the SQL Server instance. Your login can be a Windows login or a SQL Server login. Okay, now let's talk about the users. Users are, see, these are database level principles and logins are server level principles and users are database level principles. So their scope is the DB level. What is the purpose of that users? Users basically, they grants access inside a particular database. Okay. Now let's talk about the roles. See, roles are basically group of permissions, server level, DB level, or both. Okay. Some of the roles are server level roles are sysadmin, DB creator, security admin. Database roles are DB owner, DB data reader, writer, deny data reader, DB DDL admin, public, etc. Okay. I will show you. Okay, so now see how we can find out the logins in SQL Server instance, how we can find the users and roles. So see, this is my instance which is successfully connected, and if I expand the security tab inside that, so I can find the logins. So these are the logins. SC Naresh slash Naresh. Okay, so this is the logins, and these are the system generated, I mean by default logins, which are there if you install any SQL service over there, then these are the by default which will be installed. Okay, so after logins, let's discuss about the users. So users are basically database level principles. So let's go to the database tab, expand that. So within the database, if I expand further, then I can see the security tab, expand that further, and here you can see the users. So these are the users. Okay, these are the database level principles. And if you want to see the roles, okay, so you can expand that roles tab. You can see database roles and application roles. If you have any specific application role is configured, then you can see here. In my case, I don't have, but default database roles are listed here. If I expand that, you can see all of these: DB access admin, DB backup operator, DB data reader, DB data writer, DB DDL admin, DB deny data reader. If you want to deny the write permission on the database to someone, then you can select this. If you want someone to deny the write permission, then you can select this. And if you want to give owner permission to someone, then you can select this, I mean you can give this role. Okay, so these are the logins, user and roles. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.